Mr. Rabun.
Oh, okay. Hello, guy. Hey, what are you cooking today?
Cooking soup.
Soup. What cooking soup? What's the name of the soup?
Pork and shrimp.
Pork and shrimp soup.
Yes.
Okay, so soup with pork and shrimp. Okay, what are ingredients you are using?
Ingredient corn, potato,
Corn, potatoes, spinach. Okay,
salt,
salt.
seasoning,
Okay, seasoning.
and sugar.
Sugar. All right. Okay, thank you. It's already finished?
Yes.
Oh, looks yummy. Okay, wow. Okay, great. How much did you spend in total for your project?
90,000.
90,000. Over $20. With aprons, the hair net.
Yeah.
Okay, gloves. Okay, yes. Thank you. How much do you rate your soup? Like 10 out of 10. Whoa, confident. Okay, be confident. We're good. Yes, that's great. Okay, thank you. Okay, guy. Yes, please go ahead.
Yes, but they want my the Philippine chocolate. I told them after the third, after the Philippine chocolate.
What makes you choose this food to present
You can
today?
go around.
Like easy to make, we don't need to use stove, and I think it's also delicious.
Just easy to make and delicious. Okay, thank you.
Okay, cook with salad.
Could you tell me what are the roles that you divide for your group members to do?
The roll.
I bring the ingredients and Singhai he also buy the vegetable and meat and some buy like meat and prawn and the hair net and the gloves also. And because he's the cook and he like help
The chef?
He's a chef. He's a cook. Okay.
and
Yes.
Chile is the assistant to have to cook the food.
What,
Singhai is also have all the recipes.
what did he do when he helped?
Like he cut the vegetable.
Only vegetable?
He slice the vegetable and the meat.
The beef. Okay, so when the beef is not cannot be chilled, all the blame will be put on Singhai.
No. We will take all the responsibility
Why?
because we work in a team.
Hello, I see one thing. I don't see one thing.
What are the obstacles of doing this project?
For me, I think we can work in together like very clearly. We know each other. We know how to resolve problems. So because if we are to do like cooking in the school, I think it's possible.
Is the obstacle?
We don't bring too much chili and it's the obstacle for us to buy the chili. But everything is awesome.
Wow. Okay, look at the chefs. Okay, they are decorating now.
We are
Looks
decorating
good. Yes.
our color code for you.
Okay, guy, why did you decide to choose this food for presenting?
I think the food is kind of colorful food because we have all vegetable and you also get healthy after eating our food.
All right. Okay, so you think it's a healthy food?
Yes.
All right. Is it a Khmer food?
I think it is from Chinese food. But
Oh,
a
okay.
lot of people know this food
Okay.
and also enjoy with it.
It has been famous or influenced long time ago. I guess so. It's not a new recipe, right? Okay.
To cook this.
Probably boil the hot vegetable on the high heat like carrot, baby corn, Chinese kale, and green beans.
Green bean.
And then
Okay.
we remove it from the pan, and then we put
Sauce? Is it a kind of sauce?
we put butter.
Butter.
In a medium heat, and then we put this into the pan, and wait until 1 to 2 minutes until it doesn't look red anymore, and in the same heat that we have boiled into it, and we cook it together, and then we put in here like oyster sauce, sugar, the salt and pepper, of course you can, and then the last part is black mushroom.
Black mushroom.
It is sear.
Okay, great.
And it's also soft, so we put it in the glass, and then we put it into the plate. In the plate, before we put it in the plate, we have to test it first. So we have to test
okay.
it first, and put it into the plate and decorate it, and this one and this, and now our food is complete.
Great. Okay.
One special thing about my food is about when you taste, it smells like butter. Yeah, because
Okay.
we use butter.
Yes, it doesn't smell like butter. It smells butter. Just
Okay,
kidding.
one last question.
Okay.
So, what's the key takeaway that you have learned from this project?
What's your lesson learned from this project? Okay.
That I'm a student to work with our teammates. Like time we have to bring stuff. We bring stuff. Like for me, I bring the pen. I bring the metal. And I bring the knife. And my friends bring their stuff. And we spend our own money to buy it together. And like we share our own money to buy the ingredients together. So I think after this I get experience to know how to work well together in a group.
Great. Okay.
Well, together.
Hello, guys. Good morning. Wow.
It looks yummy. Yeah.
Yes.
So, can you tell us about this food?
What's the name of your food?
What's
Pork and cabbage soup.
Pork. Okay. Pork and cabbage soup.
Pork, cabbage, and carrot soup. And
This
you
is,
have carrot. You have cabbage. Okay.
This is minced pork, right? Minced pork sa chuan cham. Okay. Yes. So
And could you tell us the process how to do this? How to cook this?
First, I bring pork and have ingredients like sugar, oyster, salt,
it's a sauce. Yes. What else?
And what else?
Already. What?
and salt,
Mm-hmm.
and garlic, and
Garlic.
garlic.
Okay. And
I
you mix together. You mix together. Okay. Mix it well. Okay.
Okay. Do you think you are going to win this competition?
yes, I think my food is unique.
Unique. Yeah. Unique. Yes. Good. Yeah. Good. That's great.
Yeah.
Okay. Can you tell us what is a challenging in this, or what difficulty in working on the project?
I think like challenge
Okay.
a little not difficult in my team because it's easy to have.
What?
Busy working.
Okay. Yeah.
It is a bit challenging, yeah, because
Okay.
they are busy.
Did you work well together?
Yes.
Okay. Seem like only one person talk.
You can have each other, yeah.
Okay.
This is
How much did you spend in total?
Like 1 hour half.
Like
How much?
not how long, it's how much money
The
like
amount of money that you spend
you
for
spend for this
project.
project?
In total,
About $10. Okay. Not
only for the soup or for everything?
not including. Okay, for everything. $10. Okay. Yeah. I see. Okay. So, if you're about to sell this, how much would you sell? Yes.
I think
For this bowl of soup, how much?
55.
55.
55.
15? $15. Okay, $15 for this kind of soup. Okay. Yes. Yeah, can. Yeah, if you sell in a restaurant, like, oh, hello. Yes. If you sell in a quite a unique restaurant, yeah, should be about $15. Yes.
$10.
Yeah. Okay. Okay. Hello, guy. Yes. What are you cooking?
Frying squid with young pepper.
Okay.
Frying squid.
Fried
Yeah.
squid with young pepper, green pepper. Yes.
Green
Yes. 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 Kind of green pepper. Yes. Wow. Your preparation looks good. Yes. Okay.
First, we need to boil the water. After the water boiling, we put the squid about 1 minute and then drain it and let it fry. After that, we preheat the pan. After the pan hot, we put the oil, garlic, fry it until it smells good and turn brown. And we add ingredient like sugar, chicken powder, fish sauce, oyster sauce, and brown sugar. After that, we add vegetable. After vegetable become more softer, we finish with add squid. And
Okay.
do it about 3 minutes.
Then squid. So sometimes when they need a special way to clean things. Do you have any tips to clean this?
Basically, we clean it with water and with salt.
With salt.
Yes. What I learned from this is about teamwork and learning and experience new things. We cannot make this if we give a pressure to only one teammate. We have divide the work to all teammates that what we need to do. And learning and experiencing things is basically we not a good cooker. This is
Good cook.
food
Yes.
that we learn only 2 weeks before.
2 weeks.
I'm so proud of my team that we can make this.
Did you guys watch YouTube or other channel to learn how to cook?
We watching YouTube.
Oh, great, great. So you learn, yes, you learn from it. That's great to make sure.
Yeah.
Yeah, sometimes even we know how to cook, but we should learn from others. So we know some extra tips to make it more delicious or better quality of food. Yeah, that's great.
Do you have any
Pause. Wow. Okay, guys. That's good. Okay. Okay. Yes. Okay.
This is
Wow.
group 6. No group 5.
Okay. So let me
4,
give score on presentation first.
For you,